Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I'm here with the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LS finished in Summit White. This vehicle comes equipped with the black Chevrolet Bowties, and Chevrolet technology allows this vehicle to have active shutters behind the rear grille to allow for better fuel economy and vehicle performance. Coming around to the side, we have the 17-inch aluminum wheels, black mirrors, as well as body-colored door handles and black trim down the side. And moving to the rear of the vehicle, again, we see the black Chevrolet Bowtie. We have a rear view camera as well to assist with rear parking. Now, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine and mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing you with some speed but also smooth driving wherever you may be going. Getting into the vehicle now, we are greeted by our ash gray interior with black contrasting throughout. The driver and passenger seats are heated for your convenience. And getting into the vehicle now, we have chrome trim along the interior. Looking at our steering wheel, we have our lane keep assist, forward collision, as well as cruise control settings and voice and audio controls for the driver. This vehicle is equipped with a push start button and has a 7-inch Chevrolet Infotainment system capable of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving down, we have our climate controls. And here we have our USB connectivity as well as a 12-volt power and auxiliary cord option. We have a chrome accented shift knob here, which goes well with the remaining chrome around the trim. And this vehicle has a rear bench seat. In the rear of the vehicle, we again see the premium ash gray and black fabric all the way throughout. And here we have a look at our rear folding bench seat. It has an integrated armrest with beverage holders for passengers in the rear. Additionally, the seat backs have storage. There are climate vents for the rear as well as USB charging capabilities. And lastly, I did mention that this is a rear folding bench seat. Simply put your hand on the unfold latch, pull forward, and the effortless seat comes down. With the rear liftgate up, we truly see the cargo capabilities of this vehicle. With enough space to take you and your passengers wherever you may want to go, as well as to secure your cargo with things like cargo tie-downs and your precious cargo with child seat tether points. If you have any questions, would like to book a test drive, see this vehicle for yourself in person, or want to know more about this or any other vehicle that we have, contact Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff are happy to help you find your next ride. Thank you for watching and have a great day.